Parents, if your little one is starting school soon, you're probably feeling excited and maybe a bit nervous too. In this video, I'll share my top tips to help you and your toddler prepare for their big first day. Tip number 1. Read books about going to school. Reading stories together is a great way to get your toddler familiar with what their school day will be like. Some good book options are The Kissing Hand, Llama Llama Mrs. Mama, The Night Before Preschool. Tip number 2. Practice the morning routine. In the weeks before school starts, begin waking up, getting dressed, and eating breakfast at the time you'll need to on school days. This helps your child get used to their new schedule. Tip number 3. Visit the school beforehand. If possible, attend any orientation activities and tour the school and classroom. This helps it feel more familiar to your toddler. Tip number 4. Organize school supplies. Have your child pick out a fun backpack, lunchbox, and any other needed supplies. Let them get excited about these new grown-up items. Tip number 5. Talk positively about school. Remind your little one how much fun it will be to meet new friends, play, and learn. Avoid focusing on the separation from you. The first day of school is full of big emotions for toddlers and parents alike. Being prepared helps ease the transition. I hope these tips set you and your little one up for success. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun videos. See you!